When do you know that an employee has maxed out? Well, I thought a lot about this many years ago, and it came to me, this little scenario. Just think about it. Say I hire you into my company, and I say, what I want you to do is I want you to go fast, and just go down this road and go fast. And so you start walking, and you walk at a brisk pace. And then I say, well, you need to go faster. And so then you actually start walking faster. And then I say you need to go faster, you start jogging. I say you need to go faster, you start running. I say you need to go faster, and you're actually running full out as hard as you can. And I say, you know what? I need you to go faster. Well, the employee turns to you, or you turn to me, and you say, Dave, you're crazy. I can't run any faster. Don't you see how fast I'm running? That employee has maxed out. Notice I didn't put a lot of parameters on how to go faster. I just said go faster. So, what would the employee that's not maxed out, what would he do? Well, he would say, hey, wait a second, let me go get a bicycle. And he walks over and he gets a bicycle, and he gets on the bicycle. Now he's going faster. Now when I say go faster, he ends up on a motorcycle, then he ends up on a car, then a jet plane, then eventually the space shuttle. Basically, that employee is thinking much farther than just the little go faster thing. And that's when you know an employee has maxed out. When you ask them to do more, to get more done, to be more productive, and they say, look, I'm doing as fast as I can, I'm doing as much as I can't handle anything more. That employee has maxed. That's as far as they're going to get. But if they say, well, let me see, if I do this, if I change this system, if I get an assistant, if I do this, if I do that, then I'll be able to get the things done that you want done. That's gold. And those employees you will take with you, and they will be your partners as you grow this company. So just think about that. Think about your employees, think about the things that you've asked from them, think about the feedback that you get from them saying, hey, I can't go faster. I'm sorry, this is it. And it's okay. It's okay to have employees maxed out at their max place. That's fine. We need those people. We need the people that are going to be at that desk for the next 10 or 15 years. But those are not going to be the vice presidents of your company. They're not going to be the ones that are going to take your company to this next level. So look around and find those employees that are willing to say, okay, fine, I want to attain this goal, but how am I going to do it? And a BHAG, which is a big, hairy, audacious goal, you should have those every once in a while. Put them out there. I want to grow 25%. I want to make 25% profit. I want to do something. And then you work your way back into that and say, how would that be attained if I was able to do that? And those employees that can help you attain those big, hairy, audacious goals are the ones that are going to be with you in the long run. I hope this helps.